Hey guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. This is Brian. I'm in Lowe's today. I'm going to show you some deals in August going on right now. So first up, this is from Kobalt. They have some deals. This is a $99 drill or impact driver set, and you can also get the toolbox for $99 as well. And then for $149, you can get the two tool combo kit where you get the driver and the drill as well. I'm not going to touch these because these are all alarmed up here, but this is what you get. This is the 3-year warranty and then the 5-year on the tool. You get the charger and the battery, of course, for free along with this because it's the kit. Now this is the rolling toolbox here, or the rolling ones to the right there, and this is the drill for $99. Now for $29, I think you're saving about $10 on this one. It's a 106 piece drill driver kit. As far as the pieces here, you've got the spades on the right. I think you get about 3 or 4 spades along with this, which is nice. Now from Irwin for $9.98, it's a utility knife here. Now it's a folding utility knife, which is kind of unique. You press this button in the center here and the whole top folds in on itself. It's got this back clip as well, which is handy if you want to go ahead and buckle it to your belt or tool belt. Now from Metabo, you get this free impact driver, which is a $327 value when you buy one of these select kits. For $299, the roofing nailer, $319 the framing nailer, and $369 the siding nailer. Now this is pretty cool because on the actual box, they're saying you're going to be getting this free tool. So they must be committing to this deal for the long run here, which is kind of nice. Now from Craftsman, these are some deals here, a few dollars off in this 2-pack of retractable knives, panel saw, and the 16-ounce fiberglass hammer. Looked like they had everything here. I did not see the utility knives, though, so they must be out of those. These are some kits from DeWalt for $169. They've got the 20-volt max kits, where you get the drill and driver. They both come with the bags, battery, and charger. $279. You're getting the hammer, drill, and impact kit, and then the 4-tool kit for $379. Now for $34, this is DeWalt's drill bit set here. Now it looks like they kind of loaded one on one side and the other one's not as built up, but this is from the kind of the tough grip line here for $34. Now you get a free starter kit from Kobalt when you buy one of these bare tools, and they're pictured off to the right here. Looks like a fan, different kinds of tools here. Now this is the Kobalt 10-inch compact sliding dual bevel miter saw for $249. It was $289. This does have a 3-year warranty. This is kind of a backup, broader view of it here, and you can go ahead and grab this. And I like how you can pull it up to move it, and then to lock it, you just press it back down. It's pretty simple. Sometimes, a lot of times, they'll just have the turning knobs, and that takes a little bit longer to set in place, I think. Now, this is from Craftsman. You get a free select tool when you buy their starter kit for $129. Now, this is a Delta Anderson faucet. Now, this is $179. It was $229. So they're lowering some deals. They have quite a few deals on these faucets and bathroom items. And stay tuned to the end, and I'll just go ahead and show you a lot of their clearance, or not clearance, but their overstock items that they're trying to get rid of. Now here you're going to get a free Moen towel ring. I know it's not a big deal, but it's just when you get their faucet for the bathroom, you get a free ring. They had this big sign out there. Now from Allen and Roth, they did have some things for the bathroom. These are like soap dispensers. A lot of these were yellow tagged just when I was walking back there. And this is the very back aisle here. It's an end cap on the very back of the store. It was raining. I actually was getting some water on me for, I don't know if they needed a bucket put down or what. A lot of these are yellow tag items here. These are just some kind of things we're trying to get rid of. They had some linoleum. They had tile. This is like some chair rail, but it's like a stone chair rail. I guess you would just put that on with some building caulk or something. These are some tiles here. They're not too bad, but you know, if you have a small bathroom you need to do or something, this would be a good place to check. It's almost like clearance for tile and flooring. Now this is their closeout event. They're getting up to 70% off some of their appliances. Now with this one, this is that dual washer dryer combo. You're going to get a free, I guess it's like a riser, like a pedestal for this one. And of course, you're going to be paying a pretty penny on this one. It's $21.98. But again, that's a washer and dryer, so keep that in mind. This is their closeout event deal here. You're getting $100 off for their Maytag. I think it's the dryer here. And then just right next to it on the other side, you're getting $100 off as well when you get select dishwashers of greater than $699. Now for $349, there's this Craftsman gas mower. It's a 140cc gas mower. And for $149, this is a Toro Flex 60 volt 15-inch trimmer here. This is what it looks like. $50 off. I did see that a lot of their mowers, trimmers, some outdoor gear, they're kind of slashing prices on those just to maybe make room. And they're thinking maybe it's, August, they got to get rid of some of these to clear out. But just right down the aisle here to the right, they did have a Kobalt deal going on as well for $149, another $50 off. Or no, this one was $169, so it's only $20 off. But they had their sleek trimmer here. I think it's the same size. Yeah, 15-inch cutting 40-volt string trimmer. The good thing is the battery and charger are included. That's something you always want to check for. Now these are the mowers here. Last time I went to Home Depot, they didn't really have many deals, but Lowe's they did today. This is a Skill Power 40-volt 20-inch cordless push mower with a 5 amp hour battery and charger. This is what it looks like, a pretty sturdy mower here. 45 minutes as far as battery runtime. You're getting 2.2 feet-pounds of max torque and a 20-inch cutting base there. And this is a brushless mower. Now to the left here, they did have a Kobalt mower. This one's a little more expensive at $399, but the original price was $449. Basically everything's the same as the other mower to the right. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty robust, except you're getting a 6 amp hour battery here. So you're getting more power as far as the max torque, 3.8 compared to the 2.2. Everything else I think is the same, 44 minutes of runtime and 20 inches for the base cutting. Now for $399, this is the Kobalt 2x24 48-volt 20-inch cordless self-propelled lawnmower. It does have 5 amp hour batteries, I believe, and it does have a longer runtime. So 60-minute runtime, same cutting base with the 20 inches and then the 3.7 as far as the torque. That's comparable to the other Kobalt, except with this one you get a little bit longer runtime here. Now this is $699 for this Napoleon XT grill. It's a 3-burner grill. I still think that's a little expensive. I mean, you are going to get a nice warranty with this, and the grill lines kind of have that wave to them. I don't really care about the grill lines, but it does have a nice feel to it. It feels well put together, but I would expect that for that price. This is the side burner here. It looks pretty standard, and it's got the nice gauge in the middle. It says 15-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. It sounds like they're selling you a car or something. But yeah, it's just a little much for a grill, I think. But still, it's a deal as far as money off. These are the cushions. They're still yellow tagging these. These are about half off. They're trying to get rid of these and to make room for Christmas and Halloween decorations, I think. These are 60% off. This is patio furniture. This one here is a swing. You're getting this one. The box is a little messed up. You may get a little bit more off if you push them there, but this is a nice little patio swing here. You can just see from the little drawing on the side of the box. And this is a Style brand. You're getting the 2 chairs, 2 ottomans, and then the end table there as well. So this is the closeout deal that they're going through, and this is a coffee table for $49. I think that's half off. It's a yellow tag item. It's like a dark brown, maybe black color, but it's made of metal here. And this is what I was talking about. You're also getting these Halloween. I just saw these Halloween figures up. It's the first ones I've seen. It looks like a Pirates of the Caribbean, like a haunted theme kind of feel to it. But I'm sure they're going to be putting more of these up. So I hope this video really helped, guys, and check out this next video.